Hello, Tale Tunes Tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. The festival of Holi was just a day away, and all the children were in the festive mood. Aditya had just moved to this locality and was excited to play with his friends. Everyone started having fun by throwing balloons and plastic packets filled with colored water at each other. Suddenly, a water balloon hit Aditya's grandmother just as she was passing by. She became furious. "Who did that?" she shouted at the kids. "I'm so sorry, Grandma. The balloon hit you by mistake," replied Ronit. "But why are you throwing balloons today? You all have to wait for the day of Holi," asked Grandma. The children became nervous and silent. "Okay, come to my home in the evening," she said and left the place. That evening, the kids came to Aditya's house. They were all feeling nervous, expecting another scolding from Grandma. Instead, Grandma welcomed them with a smile. She served hot and yummy samosas to the children and sat there. Grandma wanted to converse with them and said, "Tell me, kids, what do you know about the festival Holi?" "Holi is the festival of colors," said Neha excitedly. Well, the festival also signifies the victory of good over evil. For many, it's a festive day to meet each other, play, laugh, forget and forgive. The festival also celebrates the beginning of harvest season, added Grandma. Out of curiosity, Pearlie asked, "Grandma, why do we color one another on Holi?" "This comes from a story about naughty Krishna and his friend Radha," said Grandma. "Come on, let's hear the story," shouted the kids. "Okay, kids, taste the yummy samosas and listen to the story. Lord Shri Krishna was blue like the sky, while Radha was white as snow. He used to complain, 'Why isn't she blue like me? And why does she glow?' His Amma said, 'I really can't say why Radha isn't blue, but if you smear blue color on her, then you can get her your way.' Naughty Krishna did exactly, and the prank he played that day became a tradition." It's yummy. I enjoyed the samosa. "But Grandma, why is the festival named as Holi?" asked Ronit. Holi derives its name from Holika, a demoness sister of Hiranyakashipa, said Grandma, and narrated that story as well. The demon king Hiranyakashipa commanded everybody to worship only him, but his own son Prahlada was the greatest devotee of Lord Vishnu. Angered by this, Hiranyakashipa decided to kill his son, but failed with all his attempts. Finally, he asked his sister Holika to enter a blazing fire with Prahlada in her lap. Forgetting that the boon works only when she enters the fire alone, she was burnt while Prahlada came out unharmed. In observation of Holika's apology and the miraculous escape of Prahlada, A bonfire is lit on the previous night of Holi. That's interesting, Grandma, said Aditya. Yes, but the plastic bags and the colors you have been using are not interesting. They are extremely harmful for humans, animals, and the environment. We should not be wasting water as well, explained Grandma. But Grandma, it's Holi, the festival of colors. Can't we play with any color? Questioned Neha. Of course you can play, dear. In the past, Holi was played using flower petals and organic colors. You can make them yourself too, told Grandma. How can we make colors, Grandma? Enquired the kids. There are so many ways, said Grandma and listed them. The sunshine yellow is made from raw turmeric. The pretty pink is made from beetroot or rose petals. The soothing green is made from mehendi leaves. The tangy orange is made from orange peel. The blooming blue is made from the seasonal blue flowers. These ways, we can make colors naturally. So, are you kids interested in eco-friendly Holi? Yes, Grandma. We will take care and not harm anyone, promised the children. Grandma felt happy and gifted them a little Holi box filled with eco-friendly colors and lots of fun inside. She also invited them to come home again for sweets on the day of Holi. We will surely visit you, Grandma, shouted the kids, and are ready for an excited festival with natural colors. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.